Bug?
I don't know. But don't open.
Why?
You can't see the dragon.
I like a dragon.
But it's very long.
Hmm? Long. And what colors is it?
Green.
Green? Is it have a wings?
Yes.
How many wings has it got?
2. Like this. It can fly away.
It can fly away?
Yes.
Oh, let me see. Let me...
It's coming to open the box.
I want to open.
Don't open. Mommy, don't open.
Tom told me something
Don't
inside the
open.
box. He
It's
told
very
me.
big.
He told me dragon inside this box.
Yes.
But I want to see a dragon. I never seen a dragon before. I want to see it.
You want to see? It's very big.
Yeah, I think it's so cute. Are you sure it's a dragon inside that box?
It's mommy.
No, it's not mine. I don't know whose box. I don't know.
Yenan and Godu.
Let me open it.
If you open, it's very long.
Have you ever seen a dragon before?
No.
Oh, why? Why did you know the dragon is too long and too big?
Because it looks like a snake.
Ah, are you sure it's a dragon or it's a snake?
It's dragon.
What difference between dragon and a snake?
The dragon is long, the snake is short.
And they are same color?
Yes.
I'm not sure what's inside the box. Is it snake?
The snake maybe in a brown box.
Ah! So scary! Throw the box away, okay?
But gentle.
Why?
Because the snake is out of the box.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
But slowly.
Yes, okay. The scary box is here. I don't know what
But
inside.
don't open.
Yes, I know, don't open. Are you scared?
Yes. But walk slowly off the snake.
Okay.
The snake cannot hear anything. He is in a box. When he you faster, he comes.
He comes.
He comes together.
I don't like snake. I like only dragon. I don't like snake. Do you like snake?
No.
Do you like a dragon?
No.
Oh.
But I like a flower.
What flower do you like?
I'm built around.